Hello and welcome to the tutorial on addition of 4-digit numbers and 10. Addition of 4-digit numbers and 10. Let's begin with our first example. What is 3,000, there's a comma there, 476 plus 10. 3,476 plus 10. Now it's a nice easy one. We're going to do this using the vertical format. So the first stage is to rewrite the question from the horizontal format, which is what is written here, into the vertical format, i.e. in columns. So let's do that over here. 3,476 plus 10. And we're going to label the columns as well. So the first column is the units column on the right hand side. The next one is tens. Then we have the hundreds column, and you know this one, the last one is the thousands column. So as always, we begin by adding the column on the right hand side first. That is this column here. 6 plus 0. That's a nice easy one. 6. Now we do the tens column. So we add this over here. 7 plus 1. Well, no need to work that out. 7 plus 1 is 8. The hundreds column, well, 4 plus nothing is 4. And the thousands column, 3 plus, there's nothing there, is 3. And we have our answer. 3,486. That is correct. Now you don't have to put the commas in, but it's good practice because it separates the thousands from the hundreds and makes it a lot easier to read. Now let's look at a slightly more tricky example. What is 7,394 plus 10? 7,394 plus 10. Now the first stage, yes, you've guessed it, we're going to write this down in the vertical format. So let's do that. 7,394 plus 10. Oops, there we go. Now we're not going to label the columns here. We're just going to go ahead and do the addition. We're going to start with the column on the right hand side, which is the units column. Well, 4 plus 0, nice and straightforward. 4 plus 0 is 4. Now we're going to do the tens column. What is 9 plus 1? Well, we know that 9 plus 1 is 10. We're going to put 1 here, and we're going to put 0 over here. We're now going to do the hundreds column. We've got 3 plus 0. Don't forget this 1 over here. So 3 plus 1 is 4. And finally, we're going to do the thousands column. We've got 7 plus nothing, so that remains as 7. And we have our answer. 7,404. So 7,394 plus 10 is 7,404. That is correct. And that, in a nutshell, is how we do addition of 4-digit numbers and 10 using the vertical format.